Hello, and welcome to another shave review video. Today I will be doing something that's fairly new, and it's called Supreme Sandalwood Science. If you guys like sandalwood, or thought you liked sandalwood, you're going to love this stuff. I mean, there's 3 different kinds of sandalwood blended into this one particular soap. And it's a scent like I can't really describe. I'm really looking forward to putting some water on this and seeing how it blossoms, the scent does. But this is a very, very nice smelling soap. And it's in the Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements formula CK6. It's in their top of the line formula. So that's the soap I'll be using for today. The aftershave will be the Matching Splash Supreme Sandalwood Science. For my hardware today, I'll be using a Mula R41 with the Rapira Platinum blade. And for any nicks, cuts, scrapes, or burns, we have the Thayer's Witch Hazel. All right, let's get going. Hope everyone's having a good week, got over hump day. We've had a pretty busy week at the funeral home. I had a funeral today, and luckily it didn't rain on us. So Tennessee's been having some pretty torrential downpours, and like we need another day of rain. Okay. Oh, and for our brush today, we're going to be using the West Coast Shaving Infinity brush with a synthetic knot 26mm. This is a very, very nice soft brush, lathers very well, and looking forward to using that. And I will be just loading directly from the tub. Check out some water. Start lathering here. As I'm sure most of you know that have Phoenix soaps, this is a vegan-based soap, no tallow, but his CK6 formula is still vegan. It just has more of the good stuff in it, pretty much. And just to show you, this is a Lather monster. And it is just spilling all in the sink. I'd say we have enough. Go ahead and put this tub down. All right, here we go. Lather up. Guys, this scent is amazing. Oh my goodness. It's just a very nice, clean sandalwood scent. It's not overbearing at all. It's just very nice. Golly. I'm digging this, man. This is some great stuff. Oh. And look at the lather it produces. My gosh. All right, I'm going to stop there. And for you guys that haven't tried Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements soaps before, you need to get at least one. The post-shave feel with these soaps is outstanding. After you put on the aftershave splash or aftershave anything, you just have a very nice feeling. It's just like all the stuff that was gone, that your razor took off, is replenished, and your face feels new again. That's how I would describe it. Okay. And I have about 2 days growth. Here we go. I could smell this soap all day. It's amazing. But man, this stuff would be great in the morning for a morning shave. You could smell this stuff all day, and every time you would get a whiff of it, it would make you happy. I was gonna do a review of which one's pink today, but since this this little thing came along and the scent was that good, not saying which one's pink isn't that good, I mean it's great, but this is just a new thing to me. It just kind of caught my nose. Performance of this soap so far is great. Nice and slick. The razor's gliding right through the hair. Again, I hope to see a lot of you at the Big Shaves West. Looking forward to meeting a lot of you. This is kind of one of those things where I kind of feel like a kid in a candy store, and the event is still like 50 some odd days away. Can't wait. Let's just feel pretty good first pass. We're going to do one more with cleanup along the way. This feels very nice. Here we go. Second pass. Clump o' lather. A little bit of water. All right, there we go. Getting a lather mess cleaned up. Man, I'm telling you, this stuff is fantastic. Fantastic. You know, I'm a funeral director and embalmer, and a very important part of the process is shaving. Men and women both. And honestly, I feel like this stuff would be a great contender to be the next innovative item in the prep room. Residual slickness of this soap is also very good. Should have waited probably another day to shave, feeling a little bit of a tug. But that's okay. Okay, that's good. I think I've seen my first little nick today. Whoop, we got another one on the other side. Go figure. We'll use some alum to cure that problem. And guys, I don't care who you are, if you feel like you dick yourself a lot. I know I'm fairly new, and even the seasoned veterans nick themselves. If they say they don't, I mean, come on. Yep. Okay, here we go. This is the interesting part of my face, is my neck. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna go with that. I made a big mess of myself today, didn't I? Holy cow. Should have waited another day. Just too excited, I guess. All right. There's some cold water. Okay. Get all this soap out of here. Okay. There we go. And we're going to take some alum. My Art of Shaving alum block. This is the only piece of Art of Shaving merchandise that I own. And wet it with some cold water here. And just go over my face and, oh, that's tender. That's tender. Okay. Whew. That was a harsh shave there. Guys, if you have any recommendations, I like the close shave of the R41, but I realize it's a pretty aggressive razor. So if you all have any suggestions of something different that I could try, that would be great. Because I'm looking for a good, efficient shave that's not so aggressive. Let this alum dry for a little bit on my face and let it do its work. Whew, goodness gracious. But man, this soap smells good, and I've still got plenty of lather left over to do quite a few more passes if I wanted to. Let's clean out this bowl. And Mr. Smythe, good job, sir. You found a new hit, I believe. I think we'll be fine. I think I've stopped the bleeding. Okay, here we go with the aftershave splash. We're gonna hold off on the witch hazel since I used alum on this run because of the severity of my injury. Man, this stuff smells great too. I can't wait to, oh my goodness. It's fantastic. Here we go. What a burn. Good night. Oh, gosh. And the face feels like a baby's butt. This is some great stuff. Oh my gosh. Skin food. All right. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I think for the next time, I will go for the Which One's Pink by Ariana and Evans. So, yeah, I think that's it for today. Have a great shave.